Hello students, today we will see how to plan the paper. Okay, so this is one of the sample question paper which I have, and you can see there are some general instructions given, and the question paper is divided into 4 sections here: section A, section B, section C and section D. So before going for any of the test, we must need to plan the paper. So let's see how we are going to do this, and we'll see the number of questions we are going to attempt, total marks we are going to get on it, and minimum and maximum here is for timing. You need minimum time to attempt this, and let's see maximum time, because you see the question paper is basically classified into two types of questions. One which you already practiced, and there are some questions definitely they are more in number if your practice is less, which you have never seen, and for that you need special separate time to solve. Okay, so let's see how we are going to utilize our timing which is being allotted for the paper. Here this paper is having section A. Question number 1, it contains 8 MCQ questions. So 8 MCQ questions, and each carry 2 marks. So 8 2s are 16. Here total 16 marks you have to score, but it is MCQ type question, and definitely now you have to keep practicing in such a way that maximum 1 minute to solve. Okay, take more time to read carefully, but yes, to solve try to take maximum 1 minute and not more than that. So but here I am mentioning 1 minute is the minimum timing required to solve each question. So here 8 questions are there, so minimum you will take 8 minutes, and maximum approx 10 minutes. Okay, now 4 questions here, very short answer type questions which carry 1 mark. So 4 into 1, here 4 marks you are going to score, and minimum 4 minutes you will take, maximum 5 minutes. Then now the length is increased. See, question number 3 to question number 14 contains 12 short answer type questions, each carry 2 marks, but you have to attempt any 8. Okay, so again here quick decision is required which questions you are going to attempt. 8 questions, if you will take 2 minutes, here 2 marks for each question is allotted, so 16 marks here you are going to score. And if you are taking again 1 minute here, then within 8 minutes or approx within 10 minutes you can solve these 8 questions, or by maximum if you allot 2 minutes to each question, then 16 round up we will take 20 minutes you need to solve these questions. Okay, and then let's proceed. Section C, here question number 15 to question number 26, here it contains 12 short answers type question which each carries 3 marks, and attempt only you have to attempt 8 questions here. So 8 3s are 24 marks here you are going to get if you will attempt each question correctly. And let's see, if 8 here you need if you will take 3 minutes to solve this, then 8 3s are 24, but what I think let's assign 2 minutes. Okay, so within 2 minutes you have to solve each of this question, and 16 minute approx, so I am taking by within minimum timing and take 20 minutes. Okay, so 16 here I round up it to 20 minutes, and by maximum will take 30 minutes. Okay, then Section D, last one, it carry 4 marks each, and you have to attempt any 5. So 5 fours are 20 marks you are going to get here. And if each question for each question you need 3 minutes, then 5 3s are 15 minutes here we will allot, and maximum 30 minutes. Okay. Yes, again and again I am saying, practice a lot so that you can solve each question within 1 minute timing, because you have to know these board students, they have to go for these entrance exams and all. There you have to solve 180 questions in 180 minutes. So yes, increase your speed, work on your speed, and let's see minimum timing and maximum time required by you to solve this. So this is 8 8 16 for 20, and 20 20 40, and 55. So yes, 55 minutes minimum, which you can round up to 60 minutes, that is by maximum within 1 hour. Okay, so within 1 hour you can complete the paper, and this paper is actually of 80 marks, and 3 hours are allotted to you. So if you cover up your paper within 1 hour, 2 hours are left for you to solve those unsolved, unpracticed questions. So definitely you will left with much more time to solve those challenges questions. Sometimes hot questions are there, and here maximum time taken by the student will be definitely 30 minutes, means 1 hour, 1 hour 35 minutes. Still you can see, if the paper is for 3 hours, definitely 1 hour 25 minutes is left for you to solve those unsolved questions. So practice accordingly and see, you will score more.